What it do, YouTube? Surprise! We got the breeding. Oh, you ain't even finished licking the umbilical. Lick that off. I was expecting Saturday. She done did it today. Today, Tuesday. We got 2 puppies so far. They both doing good. Fam, mama doing all right. Trying to find.
You're gonna have to edit this.
Let the puppy get the nipple. Trying to help the puppy find the nipples. Okay, we got one to get it. Did you cut the umbilical cord on that one? No, you did not. Y'all took them blankets out the washing machine and put them in the dryer?
I think so.
Go grab them for them, see if they're in there.
That sounds nasty.
I know we should look it up.
It's a baby
She's looking up the
Yeah, that's nasty.
the pouch thing. Tell me I'm gonna be a veterinarian when I grow up.
Fucking bloody hell.
I can't. I'm scared. Shit. You move. Are you even supposed to be down here? You. Oh, that's nasty.
This baby sounds dead. Where that little syringe thing go? Let me see, mama.
Sure.
Oh, shit.
Here.
There you go.
Oh, how cute. It look like a cow. You making some cute little puppies, Gracie Butt.
Get all that up.
You know how to edit these videos?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Put the camera on this camera shit right now. Am I doing something? What sound like that?
That's her licking.
I know, what sound like that? Water.
Hey, look in that bag, Kiana. I got some shit called NutriCal. Let me see.
Look.
You don't hear no crying. It's alive.
He was crying. Was
This
she?
one I got in my hand.
What is that, a boy or a girl?
I ain't looked at it. I'm losing tears.
He licking.
Might be a Gracie call. Gracie like. Good girl, fam. Mamas. This is like a fake Apollo.
You need this, you know?
Yeah, let me see.
Open it.
Mm-hmm.
So what is that?
Cause it's like it's NutriCal. It's basically like a calorie supplement for them, just in case, you feel me. They need some little help before she get on this milk. Like I said, she delivering 9 to 12 pups, so we gonna be here all night. My bad, fam. I don't want to be rough with you.
I thought they just have them all at once.
Every 30 to 90 minutes.
That's too long. Get the babies up out of me.
You can stop.
Was that a bubble?
As long as my Merle get that milk, I don't give a damn. Eat up, little nigga.
So you
The
want
cow look like it's eating too.
you want another boy?
Is the cow eating?
Hell no. He is.
Why you keep on
probably
calling it
gotta-
a cow?
I was just gonna say probably gotta squeeze some milk out of it like you did that first one.
You was about to go to sleep.
You said what?
So
They don't want
you
that
was about
shit
to go
right
to
now.
sleep. You was.
Yeah, that's how I heard him.
That's the only one that's hungry.
That's Gracie snoring.
No, that's my dogs.
Good girl, fat mama. You tired?
You can tell he gonna be getting beat up already.
Ooh.
The cow.
He went for the one all the way at the bottom.
How many nipples she got?
Shit, like 12. Why you going up on her underarm?
She got 12 nipples.
No, it's a dog.
That was like only 6 of them. Well, power to you, Gracie girl. 12
Good
nipples.
girl, fat mama. I'm excited to see what else you throw, baby.
The bigger they are, the harder they get to push out.
They're not getting no bigger than this.
Sure.
Okay, dog expert.
Smell like, you know what it smell like? The chicken that you be grilling. That's what I'm saying. It smell good.
You heard?
Excuse me.
Like I said, I was expecting Saturday for the puppies to be born. Bro, it's Tuesday.
Tuesday night. Uncle, that means you gotta stay up to the AMs.
Mm-hmm.
Go sleep.
You remember I used to work overnight?
Sure.
I just want to have another one for my
She was moving like she was.
And I seen a little blood come out.
See him, Rika?
Oh, what's up, girls and boys?
They all boys.
They
so
all
far.
boys.
What? Girl, you grown as fuck.
See how big she is?
Aww. Oh, girl.
She finna push.
She pushing.
I got some more puppy pads in there. Grab them for me on now.
Huh?
Grab me them puppy pads over there.
I want to see one come out, Sienna. You want to see three come out?
This one to come now?
I just watched the cow come out.
No, the other one. The one in that little blue bag. It's in the same thing. It's in that blue bag. Yep. Bring the whole thing. Just bring the whole thing. Take this back over there.
What's that blood? Oh.
So far, so good. 6 so far. She having them back to back now. This one right here. Trimurl. Oh no, it's this one. The lighter Trimurl right here. You can see the different size in them. That one, this little tail been drinking that good milk. Also, this one been drinking that good milk. Them the only 2 that latch so far. But once she get done having these puppies, cause she done going back to back, then she gonna have another one. Then we'll make sure I get them all latched on. Just tapping in, showing y'all the update. Fat Mama doing good. Say Fat Mama. I got all the puppies latched on. Everybody eating. Everybody good so far. Fat Mama doing a good job. Good job, Fat Mama.